Hi, good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank
Okay.
you.
All right. Now, can you please tell me about your present job?
I'm a cook here. I'm cooking for almost 2 years. Mm,
You're a cook. And what is
yeah.
the nationality of your employer?
My employer is Iranian, but they live here for a long time.
You're Iranian. And how many members in the family that you're taking good
So
care of?
they have 6 children, and my I have two co-workers. The one is nanny, the one for cooking, and the one for cleaning.
Mm, okay, so they have six children, so six, seven, eight in the family, plus
Yes,
the couple, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. And how old is the oldest kid?
The oldest is 19 years old.
And the youngest?
He's yeah, the youngest is 2 years old.
Okay. Well, by the way, why you decided not to continue to work there?
So because of the salary, I need more salary.
Did
And
did you ask them to increase your salary?
no, I didn't ask.
Okay, so since you're looking for a new employer, okay, after you finish your contract with them, how much would be the minimum salary you'd ask this time?
Hopefully 1.5. Oh, it's okay.
Okay, and what is your favorite task? Is it cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Cooking and cleaning.
What type of food can you cook?
Arabic,
Mhm.
usually Arabic foods.
Okay, and just a little bit of knowledge about cleaning. What detergents or chemicals do you use to clean a toilet?
Mm, it's a Dettol and toilet duck. Sometimes I use Clorox to clean the tiles. And
Mhm. Okay, and in babysitting, what is your first action when a baby cries out loud? When you see a baby crying, what will you do?
oh, I carry him, of course. I wash first my hands. If a baby, I wash I wash my hands first, and then I will carry him or
Okay,
her.
and what is your hobby?
Hobby, my hobby, watching.
How long do you want to work here in UAE?
Oh, as long as I can work here, it's okay.
Good. So, do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer and why?
I hope so. Of course, they are my boss. I will serve them good and treat them good. As long as they treat me good also.
Okay, very well said. I think that's all. Thank you for the time and have a nice day.